What's up, everybody? RC Explosion Box Volume 61 this month. This is the lineup. There's 5 packs. Well, I ended up getting a bonus pack, which is pretty cool. It's 2022 Bowman Draft First Edition they threw in there. So you can go ahead and read that, sorry. Freeze frame it, whatever. The big pack this month. Well, it's always cool to get the 18 update, but we have 2023 Bowman Draft. Got a feeling I got that Brady in here. Just kidding. That'd be kind of cool though. Was it that one has a $500,000 bounty on it, I think? All right, we'll start with 2022 Heritage. High number. Got Julio, Bobby Witt, Spencer Strider, a few other guys. Darvish, Lucius Fox, Jose Miranda, Jack Sawinski. Highlights, John Mayberry, Montero, Karen Check, never even heard of this guy, Andrew Benintendi, and whatever. Let's see here. Give me a second. Look at these codes here. Nothing. Nada. All right, we'll do the bonus pack. 2022 Bowman Draft First Edition. They still have odds on them back then? Yeah, they did have odds. Let's see what these are. Sky Blue Foil 1 and 2. Blue Foil 1 and 8. Yellow 1 and 15. Gold 22. Orange 43. Red 211. Rainbow. Rainbow Foils 1 and 1038. And autographs are 1 and 207. To be honest, not really sure what we're looking for. We got one of the blues. Be cool if it was autographed. What's the odds of the blues here? 1 and 8. Ricardo Cabrera, Dylan Lesko, Oscar Colas, on the back, Robert Hassel, Lamar King Jr., Warming Bernabel, Tamar Johnson, Danny DeAndre. What do we got here? Kamar Rocker, born in 99, drafted first round 2022. Oh, he was 3rd overall. Wow. Nice. You know, I didn't even put anything to put in the cards up this month. All right. Leave that over there. I'll have to go through these after. Sorry, I want that right at the edge. All right. Topps Chrome 2023 update. Let's see here. Nick Martinez, Anthony Volpe debut, Luis Arias, and Eduardo Julian. All right, 3 packs left. We're gonna go with 2022 Bowman, Cruz, Chorio, Wood, Mead, Montgomery. Come on. Doesn't look like there's anything thick there. Brandon Marsh, Jake Berger, Jesse Winker, Javier Baez. Rookie of the Year favorites, Gavin Sheets, Max Muncy, Ellie De La Cruz, Elliot Ramos, Jack Sawinski, and Adrian Sagazzi. Sky Sawinski, drafted in 2016, 440th overall, 444th. Board in 1998. Alrighty. 2000 update, or make it learn to speak. 2018 update. This is a retail, I believe. Yes. Come on, let's get something nice. Ronaldo Lopez, Aroldis Chapman, Christian Arroyo, Ketel Marte, Lourdes, Chris Bryant, Chirinos, Alfaro, Lance Lynn, and Franmil Reyes. Yeah. All right, come on. What do we got here? We're looking for Langford, Clark, Brady, Shaw, Eldridge, Emerson, Wilson, Carter, Taylor, Troy, George. Crazy how much even the base Brady's selling for. I mean, I'm sure it's short printed. I don't see anything thick there. Go through these papers. Ledbetter, Drew Jones, get to the Chromes. Wyatt, what was it? Wyatt Crowell, Dylan Heed, Jackson Wiggins, Dernish Valdez, Austin Trozer, Bryce Eldridge, draft picks prospects Chase Davis, Kenyer Delgado, the Refractors, and Mike Bove. Well, I'd be lying if I said I wasn't disappointed in that pack. But, all right, wish everyone luck this month. It's still a cool card. He's numbered? No? Oh, yeah, obviously. Oh. Thought maybe he'd be numbered to 150. Oh, yeah, it is. Those are, you know, excuse me, brain's not working today. It's 80 of 150. All right. Wish everyone luck. I'm going to go to bed now, and I'll see everyone later. Take it easy.